I would highly recommend, like, especially if you're older, you already have done 2 or 3 different career paths, and you're doing this so you can retire and live a simpler life, man. I would recommend project management. Get a PMP. And also, it really needs more mature people, like people who can handle pressure and not freak out. People who are calm as a cucumber, just calm, just like chill, and they can just work in any environment because they've seen some things, so they got that 1,000-yard stare, as we used to call it in the military. Like they've seen some, so older people, like, you could definitely do this as an older person. All right, I think that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I've been talking for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna try to do more like one-offs like this instead of just doing them once a week, more podcasts. And if you're interested in hearing a lot more, because I actually post more stuff on audio, go to ConvoCourses.podbean.com or check in the link description below, and you'll have more access to all the stuff that I put out and some old podcasts I've been posting. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thank you so much, D-Truth. Thank you, SVT. Thanks for all the questions on TikTok.